right, so this is Viola video number 2 for March Slav. You will need your the back page of your concert packet, so please have that out. I will be starting with the very last line of the video. So you can see I have a red arrow down here, and there's measure number 20 listed right above that line, the last line. So our first note that we're going to work on in the last line is that new note that we learned, B flat. So go ahead and put your first finger on your white tape and your second finger on the star on the G string. So make sure you're on the G string, and that's B flat. So the last line goes like this. All of the notes in the last line are B flat. So we have B flat, lift, B flat, lift, lift, and then we're going to change it to down, up, down, up, down, up, and then the last measure we're going to go down, down, and then all the way down, and then all the way back up, because it's going to be a very dramatic last measure. So why don't you try that with me? All right, so once again, it's the last line, and here we go. All B flats on the G string. Ready, and lift, lift, lift. Now down, up, down, up, down, up. Last measure, down, 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 and then back up. All right, so that is the last line. The next thing we're going to take a look at is the second last line. So this is going to be a green arrow. Hopefully you can see that. But the second last line says number 16, so measure 16. This line also has all B flats on the G string, that new note. New rhythm is tiriti. You might want to say that with me, tiriti. So we have 8 tiritis, and every time we do a quick bow lift in between. So it looks like this. So make sure you're on the G string, first finger on the white tape, second finger on that star, and we have tiriti, lift, lift, all right, and then you'll go to the next line. So let's try that together. There's 8 tiritis, so we're going to count them together. So put your bow on the G string, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the second last line. Once again, that new rhythm was called tiriti. Tiriti. Hopefully I said that right. Now we're going to go up 2 more measures, and we're going to find the third line. There's 2 measures at the end of the third line after what you will see is a repeat sign. So there's 2 notes in these 2 measures. The first one is that B flat, which we just practiced. So 2 fingers on the G string with your first finger on the white tape and your second finger on the star. So for now, the next note, we're going to take our left hand fingers and put them on the D string in the same position, the same low 2 or star 2 position. So you'll have your first finger on the white tape and your second finger on the star for F natural on the D string. So I'm going to try that. And so now we're going to play 2 fingers on the G string for B flat, 2 fingers on the D string for F natural. We do that 4 times total. So maybe you can try that with me now. So starting on the G string, we have B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, F. All right, so that shows you how to do low 2 on both the G string and the D string. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here at the blue arrow, the second last 2 measures of line 3, and I'm going to play from here all the way to the end, so you know how to put this section together. So I start on B flat, and I'm going to rock to the F. So we have, now I have tiriti, tiriti, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the last line. Lift, lift. go down, up, down, up. Last measure, down, 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 and then all the way back up. All right, we'll do that one more time. So go ahead and get yourself ready. 2 fingers on the G string to 2 fingers on the D string. So going between B flat and F natural, same spot. Last 2 measures of line 3. Ready, go. This concludes part 2 of our video lessons for March Slav. So part 3 will cover the first part of the piece.